Welcome guys, I've been using the ABKO Hacker K640 mechanical keyboard for almost a week now. I got this keyboard from an online shopping website here in South Korea for about $45. You can find a link to my unboxing video for this keyboard on the description below. Today I will give a review of this affordable but amazing mechanical keyboard. Let's get to it! ABKO is one of the leading gaming peripheral brands here in South Korea. Besides gaming keyboards and mouse, they also offer other PC accessories like cases and RGB fans. Their Hacker sub-brand is mainly directed towards gaming peripherals like gaming chairs, mechanical keyboards, headsets, and gaming mouse. For the design, the K640 is built on a metal backplate, making it durable for its price. The keyboard is 443 by 152 by 28mm in size and features these two retractable stands to give it more height depending on your needs. The keyboard weighs about a kilogram and you can feel that it is durable due to its weight. Seems like ABKO didn't really cheap out on the construction of this keyboard. The keyboard doesn't come with a wrist rest, which will be a bummer for some. Using the included keycap remover, you can easily remove the keycaps to see the Otemo blue switches, which is the main reason why this mechanical keyboard is cheaper compared to its competitors using the more widely available Cherry MX switches. For the typing experience, you can expect how it will feel because of the blue switches used. Otemo blue switches are tactile and clicky, meaning it will produce this audible click sound, which might not be ideal if you're using it in a shared office setting or if you're living with a roommate. The keyboard is RGB backlit with every row featuring one color. There are 8 gaming, 2 custom, and 9 preset effects that you can choose from, all of which can be easily controlled without the use of software. All you need to do is press the function key along with the insert to show every built-in preset effects. You can also record your own RGB effects and patterns using the function key, plus the home key to start recording, and then the end key to end recording. But in my opinion, the built-in effects are way cooler. In summary, the ABKO Hacker K640 mechanical gaming keyboard is bang for the buck. For its price, it's a good entry point for people who want to experience mechanical keyboards without spending a fortune. That's it for my review of the ABKO Hacker K640 RGB mechanical keyboard. Thanks for watching, subscribe to my channel, and see you on the next video.